So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video I will show you how to change opponent in Monopoly Go, but before we dive in, here's a website where you can get dice and stickers using our discount code.
By MMOG for all things Monopoly Go related. So just click onto that, right click onto dice in here, and then just click onto buy now. And in the coupon section here, you could grab an additional 10% off with our exclusive discount code, which is TechTricks.
Now that is out of the way, to change opponent here in Monopoly Go, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is get a shutdown or your heist basically. So let's try to do that right now. So as we play the game, let's try to do and get a heist because you can change opponent that easily. So let's just claim this reward right here and let's see if we can get our prized heist or our prized bank heist or shutdown. So let's try to get the bank right there. It's pretty hard since we're trying to do timing, and there we go, we got a shutdown. So to do this, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is switch opponent, and you can either choose from a random player or even your friends. So let's say you want to do your friends, and then here you want to choose this random person. Let's try to do a shutdown, and let's try to get the chance to shut down their board. So here I expect there's a shield, and there is. So there you go, and that is how you change opponent in Monopoly Go. It's just that simple. I hope you like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time.